Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to stash hunt on 2B2T. First, prepare for an extensive journey across the server's massive world. You will need an elytra for efficient travel, along with many stacks of rockets. A reliable client with useful navigation features is also crucial. Expect to travel at least 20,000 blocks from spawn to begin your search, as closer areas are usually picked clean. This initial preparation is key to a successful hunt. Once prepared, choose a cardinal direction, such as north or south, and begin your journey. It is recommended to travel at least 100,000 blocks from spawn to increase your chances of finding untouched areas. Use your elytra and rockets to cover ground quickly. Many players employ an auto-walk or auto-fly feature within their client to maintain consistent movement over long distances, allowing for hands-free travel. As you travel, keep a keen eye out for anything that looks out of place. Unnatural terrain generation, small player-built structures, or even a single broken block can indicate a stash. Look for signs of past player activity, like small pathways or cleared areas. Many stashes are hidden underground near bedrock or within natural caves, so investigate these spots thoroughly for chests or shulker boxes. When you find a suspicious area, conduct a thorough search. This includes digging underground, checking underwater, and exploring any structures. Be extremely cautious, as some stashes are booby-trapped or griefed, designed to kill unsuspecting players. Once you locate items, secure them immediately. Transport your valuable findings back to a safe, private location, perhaps a temporary base, to organize and store your newly acquired loot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.